everybody, it's Pixel, and today we're going to be making a garlic and rosemary no-knead bread. And for that, we're going to need 3 cups of flour, 3 garlic cloves crushed, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt, 3/4 teaspoons of pepper, a half a teaspoon of our yeast, and 1.5 cups of lukewarm room temperature water. Yep, as usual, sounds pretty fun. Shouldn't be too hard, so let's go. The first step is going to be to combine our garlic, rosemary, flour, salt, pepper, and our yeast. We're going to mix that up thoroughly, and I'll be right back. And after all the dry ingredients are thoroughly mixed, we're going to start putting small intervals of water in and mixing it into our dough until it forms a nice elasticy dough. And once our dough is more of a formed shaggy ball of dough, we are going to be putting it into a lightly greased bowl. It is going to sit overnight, tightly wrapped, for the next 14 to 24 hours. Okay, our dough has been sitting for the last 14 hours, and I have put some spray and cornmeal into our pan. We are going to be making a ball of dough out of this and placing it into our cast iron pan. And what you're going to want to do for that is just make a nicely lightly floured surface and make a nice smooth little dough ball out of your dough. Once the dough is in our pan, we're going to take a dishcloth, cover it up, and leave it at room temperature for the next 2 hours. Okay, our bread is set for 2 more hours. It's double the size it used to be, and now it is going to go into our oven at 450 for the next 30 to 40 minutes. And once those 40 minutes are up, your bread will look golden brown like this, and we're going to let it cool off to room temperature before we start trying to slice it. Okay, our bread is all sliced up. It's sat a little while, and now me and Lyrical Moonraven get to taste it. Sup, go grab your piece. Weirdo. Alright, our bread is delicious. It's one of the more successful ones I've made. I will admit you taste more rosemary than garlic, though. Maybe a clove or 2 more would help. Or even some garlic powder in with the batter and stuff, or dough, I should say. That, and after we let it sit a little, the crust got a little chewy. Almost like a sourdough crust would be. But overall, I think we both like it. What do you say?
Yeah, I like it. It's really good.
I like it. So, you know the drill. If you like what you saw, have any thoughts, made it better, leave me a like, leave me a comment. We will see you in the next video.